Hello everyone, my roll number is 227038 and today we are here to study about tensor algebra, contravariant vector, covariant vector and dual space. So firstly, we will go through that what is tensor algebra. For m direction, the position vector of any point in n dimension space is given by vector r is equals to vector r bracket x1 x2 x3 dot xn. So here we can write x1 x2 x3 dot xn is equals to x to the power I, and here I is supersplit, and this term is called ith component of vector r. Or we can also write vector r is equals to r bracket by x1 x2 x3 dot xn. So here x1 x2 x3 xn is equals to xi subspace. So our next term is vector space. So we have to know about that what is vector space. A non-empty set V of vectors with two operation vector addition and scalar addition is said to be vector space if it satisfied following property. The property is 1 dot alpha is equals to alpha for all alpha belongs to V, ब्रैकेट में C1 C2 into alpha is equals to C1 whole bracket में C2 into alpha for all C1 dot C2 belongs to F and alpha belongs to V. Here bracket में C in the bracket alpha plus beta is equals to C alpha plus C beta for all C belongs to F, alpha beta belongs to V. ब्रैकेट में C1 plus C2 whole into alpha is equals to C1 alpha plus C2 alpha for all C1 C2 belongs to F and alpha belongs to V. So here the next term is covariant vector. So let's discuss about covariant vector. Let V is a vector space over field of real number if M belongs to V and C to the power infinity M is the set of all differentiable function in neighborhood of M. A vector x such that lambda C to the power infinity M tends to R and satisfied following property: lambda f plus g is equals to lambda f g plus lambda g. Next is lambda f g is equals to m f bracket में m lambda g plus g m lambda f. Third property is lambda af is equals to a lambda of f where f g belongs to c infinity m. A belongs to R. A set of such vector defined above form a vector space with respect to two operation vector addition and scalar multiplication defined as u plus lambda bracket में f is equals to lambda of f plus mu f. A into lambda bracket में f is equals to a into lambda of f, known as space of contravariant vector, and it is denoted by mm, and vector of this space is known as contravariant vector. So our next topic is covariant vector. Let mm be a vector space of contravariant vector, a function mu defined as mu such that mm tends to R and satisfied following property. So here the property is mu bracket में a lambda plus b gamma plus is equals to a mu bracket में lambda plus b mu bracket में gamma for all lambda and gamma belongs to m small m and a b belongs to R. The collection of such type of vector defined above are denoted by mm and form vector space with respect to two operation. Vector addition and scalar multiplication is known as covariant vector space. Here the vector addition is mu plus delta bracket में lambda is equals to mu lambda plus delta lambda and this scale of multiplication is a mu bracket में lambda is equals to a mu lambda. For all mu and delta belongs to m, lambda belongs to and a belongs to r is known as covariant vector space, and vector of this space is known as covariant vector. So our next topic is mixed tensor. Let aij are component of vector em into star with respect to basis e to the power I and a I j are corresponding component of same vector with respect to ai related by a relation aij is equals to pii pjj aij. It is law of transformation of vector of a type 1, 1 mixed tensor of type Rs. Let a I1 I2 IT3 IR J1 J2 J3 JR are component of vector belonging to mm to the power r and to the power star with respect to basis ei, and a I1 dash I2 dash I3 dash I R dash J1 dash J2 dash J3 dash JR dash are component of same vector with respect to basis e to the power I related by a relation. The relation is a to the power e1 dash I1 sorry a to the power I1 dash I2 dash I3 IR dash J1 dash J2 dash J3 dash JR dash is equals to pi dash and p I2 dash pi2 p I3 dash pi3 py dash y1 dot py2 dash py2 py3 dash y3 py and dash pn. It is law of transformation of tensor of type r, s. Thank you.